Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Snarin bait. Today's video I'm going to be going out to a lake. It's pretty windy out today, so I don't think I'll be able to get the kayak out even though I brought it along. So without further ado, let's get onto the lake and let's see what we can catch. Alright guys, time for a new spot. I'm going to go over to the dam area. Just right up there, all the wind will be blowing up into that dam, and hopefully you can get onto something over there. I'll probably switch up my lure from this little jig to a little jerk bait. So let's go over there and see if we can catch something. Alright guys, we made it to the dam area here. I'm going to walk up to the top here. Some of you guys might be wondering, why did I pick the dam? Well, hopefully you guys can hear it because it's kind of windy, but the wind is blowing up into these rocks, and what I'm hoping is that it's going to blow up some of the bait fish up into the rocks, and some of those bigger fish will come up to go and get those bait fish that are blowing up to the rocks. So what I've got rigged up is just kind of like a jerk bait, and I'm hoping that we'll get something. So without further ado, let's get onto this little area over here and let's see if we can get something. There's one. Ah, I hooked him bad. Man. It's a nice bass. It's got a crawdad down its throat. I don't know if you guys can see that. See the little antenna right there? That's a pretty cool fish. Let's throw this one back in the water, see if we can catch another one, but that's a good sign that they're at least biting on the crawdads there. I'm going to use the jerkbait a little bit more and I might switch it up. Just throw this one back. There it goes. Alright guys, basically what I was doing, I was just throwing it along the little dam here, and I was working at my wind, and I was doing like different rhythms and different things like that, and that bass just picked it up. I'll try to use that same rhythm and see if they're on that kind of a pattern. There's one. There we go. There's that fish, guys. A little bit smaller one than the last one, but I'm looking in this one's mouth again, and this one here has a little crawdad in its mouth too. Let's throw this one back and see if we can catch another one. Alright guys, I'm switching up to this little jig here. I'm switching to this because the two bass that I caught, there was antennas of crawdads in their mouth. So I'm hoping that this will do pretty good. So let's get back on the water and hopefully we can get something. There's one. Ah, what? Got a catfish on my jig. Man. Thought I had a really nice bass there. I know I said catfish, but it's actually just a channel cat. Oh man. Well everybody, I'd like to thank everybody for watching my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this, and hopefully the wind sound isn't too bad. It was pretty windy out today. I was very successful today. I caught some bass, and I caught that one channel catfish on the jig. In one of my other videos I was here, I think a year ago, I'll put the card up in the little corner here. I caught a channel cat too. Hopefully everybody enjoyed watching my video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and have a great day.